you go. Well, I really hate that there wasn't a car bike ride today, but I really love going places I've never been before. I'm at a far west place, well, not far west, but a place that's pretty far west of where I've ever been before on a bicycle, on the south side of White Oak Bayou. I'm out in the county. This is a bridge I've never seen before, and I'm sure someday I'll go across it, but right now I'm going to head back to town because I want to make a video of the trail up to and including where it's paved. So sorry I missed the car bike ride, but I'm glad that the car bike ride was canceled, but I'm glad to be trying out my mountain bike for the first time over here on these trails, and my GoPro for the first time as well. GoPro. This was probably pretty interesting a couple days ago. Right now it's not too bad. You can see various water lines along the embankment over there and along the top edge, and actually pretty sure it came out of the banks at some point. All right, back on the trail. Well, here we are at Little York, and I thought this would be worth a little video. Obviously the mud built up pretty good here. Somebody has cleaned it. Isn't that nice? One direction only First bit of mud here about I-10. So here's the end of the new trail. Might be worth an Instagram picture. Today. Yep. What I expected, but didn't expect this, I guess. Be a while. So here we are, University of Houston downtown. Here's my mountain bike. And here's Buffalo Bayou. Pretty impressive how a week later, well, tomorrow will be a week, Harvey is still all over the place. Thought I was going to get to ride around Buffalo Bayou Park at least a little ways. Pretty much no chance of that. Look at that water. Pretty impressive, huh? Still quite a bit of water draining. Quite a bit. And the bike trails will not be rideable down here anytime soon. Just for comparison, here's video with my LG V20 phone, and there's my bike. Here's the Bayou spaghetti warehouse over there, and we won't be riding down here for the next few weeks. This is a week after Harvey. Buffalo is still very, very busy. Quite a bit of water over here. Quite a bit of current draining down to the bay. Very impressive. I expected to be able to ride my bike a little further down here. I thought maybe down around the bend I wouldn't be able to get on, but did not expect this. This is pretty messy right now. I like to think that within a month or 6 weeks, we could have this all cleaned up, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Couple ducks. Quack, 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 quack. Here we are at Commerce and Milam. Very familiar location. Look at the debris on that bridge over there. The Harris County Jail. And a lot of water still coming down the bayou. The bike trail over there. Guess I'm gonna head back. Not much to do down here. Over here on the spaghetti warehouse side now. Pretty much been the end of the trail for a while, but now it's really the end of the trail. Wow, these light fixtures are all empty of lights right now. And obvious the spaghetti warehouse staff is drying out. I'll show you that in a second. Spaghetti warehouse had a lot of water in it. That's the first one. Pretty impressive fence damage here, I thought. I thought that was impressive. For a road bike, it would be, I would imagine. So yeah, there'll be a little shoveling to do here. Looks back-breaking to me. When it gets wet, boy, it'll be slippery. So they use I'm sure they use some sort of a street cleaning device when they clean these trails, so maybe they'll get this section cleaned up without David having to do it. I don't know, man. I think I'll go back. It's pretty impressive up here on the bridge. Occasional tire here and there. Not really that impressive under I-10. Little Saturday bike trail construction. Is that for the bike path maybe? Wouldn't that be cool? A little bit of water. But wow, when it was up to 3 stairs from the top. You can actually still see the debris. And so now it's down, way down. So I rode along that trail earlier. There's downtown. Isn't that nice? Beautiful dog. Husky mix. Meow. Meow. What is all over your neck? Why are you so dirty? Meow meow.